Assalamu Walaikum.
Hello friends, how are you?
Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add a 3D line shape in Affinity Publisher. Let's get started. At first, go to a blank page. Then go to the tools section and select the shapes drop down menu. And we can see here many shapes. Now I am select the rectangle tool. Then draw a line shape. Then go back again the tools section, select the move tool. Then select the line and go to the layer section, then select the line shape layer, then select the layer effect option. Now we can see here open a layer effect window. Now we want to make this line shape 3D. Go to the 3D section and check mark on the 3D option, then increase the radius, then increase the soften, then close the window. Now we can see we make a line 3D very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.